Hello guys, hope you are ready for the next one, so let's hit it. Circuit training is the main course of today's menu. We have 8 exercises, different body parts. We're gonna work them on time one by one with a short break in between. We will start with 30 seconds of work for the first round, 40 seconds for second and third, and 20 seconds of work for the fourth round. We'll start with the frog jumps. Place your legs a little bit wider than width of your shoulders, squat and jump from this position. Try to land softly on the ball of your feet and reach the floor with your hands if you can. Plank. Very simple but very effective core exercise. All you have to do is just to engage your core and try to stay still in this position. You can place your knees on the floor for a short while if you feel like you cannot hold it anymore. Or you can bring your hips higher and make some sort of bridge. But please don't give up your waist, don't let it drop down, because it's not very safe for your lower back. Another alternative is an elbow plank. It's a little bit easier and also possible in a bridge variation. Push-ups. You're familiar with it by now. Just to remind you, shoulder, elbow and wrist in one line, and you tend to touch the floor with the middle of the chest. Or knee push-ups as the easier alternative of it. Superman. Simultaneously lift up your arms and legs, hold it for a second and carefully put it down on the floor. Try not to look up as it might hurt your neck. It's very important to control the move all the way up and down, otherwise you'll get this. Squat kicks. No special requirements here, just try to keep your feet flat on the floor, keep your lower back straight and exhale every time you get up and kick. Crunches. Your task is to extend and squeeze your abdominals. No need to get yourself all the way up. This is not a sit-ups. You can even place 2 hands on the top and the bottom of your stomach and feel how the distance between them is getting bigger and smaller as you work. Inchworms. Very simple and very effective exercise. No special form requirements here. Jumping jacks. This is the full version of the side step jacks. This is a pure cardio exercise and proper breathing is very important here. So exhale here, inhale here, exhale, inhale, and all the way like that.